Hello everyone, this is Rohit Himchandani and welcome to Stratigem. Today we are exploring one of the biggest shifts in consulting delivery, replacing static PowerPoint decks with dynamic reports. For decades, consulting has been defined by decks, hundreds of slides that capture strategy, frameworks and recommendations. But in the AI and data-driven era, clients increasingly want something different. Living reports that update in real time, integrate with business systems, and allow interactive exploration. This is the future of consulting delivery. First, we'll explore the problem with traditional decks. So, PowerPoint decks have been the gold standard, but they are flawed because they are static, outdated the moment they are created. They are one way, consultants present and clients listen. They are heavy, time consuming to produce, disconnected, separate from live business data. Clients now demand dynamic, actionable, and integrated outputs. What are dynamic reports? So, dynamic reports are live dashboards which are connected to real time data, interactive tools where clients explore scenarios themselves, AI enhanced, auto updating insights and recommendations, collaborative, shared workspaces for consultant and client teams. They are not just deliverables, they are ongoing strategy platforms. Now let's see tools enabling dynamic reports. So first is BI platforms like Power BI, Tableau, Looker, Notion plus GPT, AI augmented workspaces, dynamic docs like Coda, Airtable, Google Data Studio, AI tools, generative dashboards, GPT powered Q&A bots. So consultants can now replace decks with living ecosystems of insights. Now let's see case studies. So a global bank shifted from decks to dashboards. For risk management, leaders can assess and access live updates instead of quarterly slides. A retailer used interactive reports to model pricing scenarios, leading to faster and better decisions. A consulting firm replaced static market entry decks with AI driven interactive reports. Clients could test different strategies themselves. Now let's see benefits of dynamic reports. First is speed. So no waiting for weeks for decks. Second is relevance. Always up to date. Engagement. Clients explore, not just consume. Scalability. Reports can serve multiple teams. Retention. Clients continue using tools after engagement. Now what are the risks and challenges? So first is tool fatigue. Too many platforms overwhelm the clients. Data security. Sensitive information must be protected. Skill gaps. Consultants need new technical skills and change resistance. So some clients still prefer DEX. Now consultants must evolve by designing dynamic reporting systems, training clients to use them, embedding AI responsibly, and blending storytelling with interactivity. Here is a 5-step framework for shifting from DEX to dynamic reports. First is assess. Identify client needs for live versus static reporting. Then assemble. Choose platforms like BI, Notion, Coda, or GPT tools. Third is adapt. Build interactive dashboards aligned to strategy. Then activate. Train clients, integrate into workflows. And lastly, advance. Continuously update and refine post engagement. So, in conclusion, consulting in the AI era is not about 200 slide decks. It is about dynamic, intelligent, and interactive reports. The future belongs to consultants who deliver insights that live, breathe, and evolve with the client's business. So ask yourself, are you still delivering static decks or building living strategy platforms? Thank you for joining in this session. Hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you have any comments or feedbacks, please provide them in the comment section below. Thank you.